This isn't me being indecisive. This is me being smart because I know different parts of my face have different concerns. Let me explain. Let's start with the eye area. I just love trying different eye masks, and these two are some of my favorite ones because it's hydrating. It has that really good grip. This is from Shankpri and this is from Dermatology. My forehead, it looks like I have nothing on, but it's actually the Radiance Mask from Tata Harbor. I was using this religiously before my wedding. I really want this part of my face to glow because I have a big forehead. I just wanted that to like reflect light. Then my nose area, especially in the summer, I get really clogged, oily pores. So I go in with like a clay mask like this 1 to 2 times a week. This is from the Outset. It's lovely. It doesn't dry out. Then to my cheeks, I want there to be more vitamin C, a brighten skin. So we're using the Tatcha one. This is one of the first masks I ever purchased on Sephora. Then for my chin area, we're getting some hormonal acne, all these like hormonal stuff going on. That's when I need a little bit of a detox. So I'm going in with the Code Detox Mask. So you don't have to do this, but if you're smart, I would use different masks at the same time.